Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your accounts and tracking tools so data stays accurate. Create or use a dedicated Facebook ad account for each product funnel. Set an initial test budget of $0 per day to collect meaningful data quickly. Install one Facebook pixel on every ClickFunnels page to track conversions and events. Verify your domain in Facebook Business Manager to avoid attribution issues and to enable conversion tracking. Connect the verified domain to ClickFunnels in the funnel settings immediately after verification. Organize campaigns into awareness, consideration, and conversion stages for clear objectives. Use a 7-day conversion window for initial testing and retargeting logic. In awareness, test broad interests and a few lookalike audiences to find signal. Create 5 to 10 audience variations across ad sets to compare performance efficiently. Move best performers to consideration and then conversion once they show consistent results. Aim to optimize for purchases only after you collect about 50 conversions in 7 days per ad set. Design multiple creatives and test messaging to understand what converts best on Facebook. Use 3 creatives per ad set with one concise headline under 35 characters. Always include a clear call to action and match ad copy to funnel landing page content. Implement UTM parameters and consider server-side tracking to supplement the Facebook pixel. When a campaign hits target cost per acquisition, scale gradually by doubling budget every 48 to 72 hours. Monitor CPA and ROAS closely and pause ad sets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.